Hi, my name is Shae Renee, and I am one half of the group Sounds of Poetry. Sounds of Poetry is a duo of a poet and a violinist, and we create a really unique blend of both the human voice and the sound of a stringed instrument. As the human voice, the other half of our group, Elise, is reading spoken word. The violin is responding as if it's the other voice on the stage, and so it creates just really unique sound. I use both like a pizzicato plucking sound and then as well as the long bow strings. You can find us on our website, soundsofpoetry.com, and look us up also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks.